The crisis is exposing systemic problems that predate this pandemic.
I try not to get too choked up here.
When Scott Acrie's father, Castell, ended up at Gateway Care and Rehabilitation Center in Northern California, he had no idea it had been cited for deficiencies 32 times since 2017. The last time Scott could get through to his dad was the day he was tested for COVID. 4 days later, a doctor called to say he passed away. Then the facility called.
My father passed away, 15, 20 minutes earlier, and they said, okay, well, you have 1 hour to get him out of here.
1 hour?
1 hour. It's like, okay, he's gone, get him out of here. You have an hour.
The Gateway Center didn't return our calls. Many nursing homes are doing all they can to protect and care for residents. But the Washington Post analyzed about 650 nursing homes with reported cases of coronavirus and found 40% had been cited more than once for violations related to infection control.
We might say that there are problems in nursing homes, but not much happens as a result.
Fines against troubled nursing homes have declined during the Trump administration. The Andover Center in New Jersey, where police discovered bodies piled up in a room, had a rating much below average and dozens of citations. Today, we spoke with 2 former employees who wanted their identities protected. Both quit recently and say conditions were dire even before coronavirus.
There would be urine and fecal matter on the floor, in the hallway, in the bedroom. It was just gross. And then with the virus happening, things just got 10 times worse. I would wear a mask because I would bring a mask from home. They wouldn't give me a mask. When I got sick, they were still trying to make me come in.
They wanted you to come in even though you were having symptoms?
Yes.
Andover told NBC News today that it remains confident that a state review will confirm that the facility has been addressing the unprecedented challenges from this pandemic appropriately. Scott Acrie's family plans to sue Gateway, and the district attorney has opened a criminal investigation.
We don't want this to happen to anybody again. It's just unconscionable.
Kate Snow, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.